Welcome to the MS Academy. Please like, subscribe and share. For teacher test preparation, most important general science MCQs from class 5th to class 8 for educators and also for ETA, NTS and Punjab Public Service Commission. A collection of multiple food chain is known as, right option is 2, food web. How many neuron makes a human brain? Right option is 2, 100 millions. How many layers does the earth have? Right option is 4, 5 layers. The moving air is called, right option is 3, wind. Which of the following gases is used in fire extinguisher? Right option is 4, carbon dioxide. Fish have mucus on their overlapping scales too. Right option is 2, slide through water. Due to scarce supply of food in winter, animals, right option is 4, hibernate. To keep fish floating in water, it requires, right option is 1, fins. To swim through water easily, fish have, right option is 1, feathers. A collection of multiple food chain is known as, right option is 3, food tie. Fish have mucus on their overlapping scales too, right option is 2, slide through water. Due to scarce supply of food in winter, animals, right option is 4, migrate. Moles feed on, right option is 2, earthworms. Leaves of cactus are like small spins. 2, right option is 1, prevent excess water loss by evaporation. When plants and animals die, they are decomposed by, right option is 2, detritivores. 4 of moles is, right option is 2, speaking. Bears have strong legs so that they can, right option is 1, walk long distances in search of food. Moles feed on, right option is 3, mice. Leaves of cactus are like small spins. 2, right option is 3, prevent excess sunlight to be absorbed. When plants and animals die, they are decomposed by, right option is 1, scavengers. Tail of fish is important to control its, right option is 2, direction. Underneath hair of polar bear, color of his skin is, right option is 2, black. Bears have sharp teeth to kill, right option is 4, seals. Deciduous trees are trees that shed, right option is 4, leaves. Process in which food substances are moved to rest of plant by phloem is known as, right option is true, translocation. Phloem is a vessel in plants which carries, right option is 3, prepare food to other part from roots. Water evaporates from thinning, pores on lower part of leaf. These pores are known as, right option is 4, stomata. In roots, vascular bundles are, right option is 3, in center. Carbon dioxide and oxygen move in plants by, right option is 3, diffusion. Most of animal salts in soil enter roots by process of, right option is 3, active transport. If in ink, if an ink drop is dropped in water and it spread equally in water, it is called, right option is 1, diffusion. Food is carried away from leaves to other part of plant by, right option is 2, sieves, tubes of phloem. Process in which water and animal salts are moved from roots to leaves by exhalium is generally known as, right option is 1, transpiration. Process that requires energy to move particles from one region to other region is, right option is 2, active transport. Some amount of mineral salts enter in roots by process of, right option is 1, diffusion. More force more force is required to pull water and minerals up to leaves of, right option is tree trunks. A wind blows, it takes water vapors away from plant and decreases humidity. This process is, right option is 1, increases the rate of transpiration. Root cells contain a large amount of, right option is 3, minerals and sugar. Most of oxygen from soil is dissolved in, right option is 2, water. Flow of water and mineral salt from roots to leaves by xylem is known as, right option is 1, translocation stream. Xylem is a vessel in plants which takes, right option is 1, food and minerals to leaves from roots. When temperature of surrounding increases, speed of transpiration is also, right option is 1, increased. Movement of food in phloem depend on, right option is 1, living process in phloem. When photosynthesis is faster than rate of respiration, right option is 3, is reversed. Oxygen in water is absorbed by roots through, right option is 3, root hairs. A membrane that lets some particles to pass through is known as, right option is semi-permeable membranes. For transportation of food and minerals plant have, right option is 2, two transport system. Xylem and phloem vessel are found in, right option is 3, roots only. Transportation of foods and mineral salts from leaves to all other parts of plant by phloem is known as, right option is 1, translocation. Humus can also be used by plants as a source of, right option is 3, fertilizers. Birds and animals that feed on dead decaying organisms are called, right option is 1, scavengers. A place here organism can take shelter and reproduce is known as, right option is 2, habitat. Animal which depend on primary consumers are known as, right option is 3, secondary consumers. Polar bear have thick fur so that they can, right option is 2, keep themselves warm. Dissolved mineral and water is taken from roots to leaf by vascular bundle named, right option is exhalium. Phloem vessel contain, right option is 1, living cells. Exhalium vessels contain, right option is 2, dead cells. Main force that pulls water and dissolved mineral salt from roots to leaves is due to process of right option is 2 transpiration. Stem is strong due to right option is 3 fibers in the vessels. During respiration oxygen is right option is 2 take in. Stem is kept on ground due to the right option is 1 strength of roots. Phenomena of movement of particles from higher concentration to lower concentration without use of energy is known as right option is 1 diffusion. Several layers of cells at tip of root form right option is 2 root caps. During respiration carbon dioxide is right option is 3 given out. Small opening in pits of bark is known as right option is 2 lentic cells. Tremendous force which pulls water and mineral salt up to leaves can pull these contents to height of right option is 450 meters. Other link in a food contained besides producer is known as right option is 1 consumers. Small creatures that break down decayed matter into further smaller pieces are called right option is 2 detritivores. Two correct examples of habitat are right option is 1 streams and caves. White coat of polar bear helps them too. Right option is 1 camouflage. To make sure that animals could get enough of what they need to survive, they have to. Right option is 1 compete. All food chain began with. Right option is 3 secondary consumer. Polar bears have sharp claws and hairy soles for. Right option is 1 awesome grip. Energy which is absorbed by green plants is about. Right option is 4 50% of sunlight. Animals that depend on each other for living are called. Right option is 4 consumer. Carnivores are always. Right option is 3 secondary consumer. Transfer of energy in a food chain is shown by. Right option is 3 straight arrow. Flow of energy from producers to consumers forms right option is food. Right option is 2 food chain. Skin keeps itself warm through. Right option is 3 insulated fat layer. During winter, dormant condition of insect is termed as. Right option is diapause. Animals that depend on producers are known as. Right option is 2 primary consumers. Some pre predators prey at night like. Right option is 1 bears. To make food plant need. Right option is 1 carbon dioxide, water and sunlight. Main source of energy for a food chain is. Right option is 4 sun. Right sequence of a food chain is. Right option is 4 grass, rabbit and cheetah. Herbivores are always. Right option is 3 secondary consumer. Swollen stem of cactus is important too. Right option is 3 absorb more water. Plants growing in dry conditions tend to have small number of stomata on their lower leaf surface to save. Right option is 1 water loss. Fish have gills to absorb. Right option is 4, oxygen. Plants can make their own food, so they are called. Right option is 3, producers. To find water, cactus plants have. Right option is 3, long roots. Body of a fish is. Right option is 2, streamline. Thank you for watching.